Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Sandeep Walia, Head of the Department, University Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Chandigarh University. Today we are going to discuss about the module Cargo Management and Computerized Reservation Systems used for cargo under the paper Cargo Operations and Management. After completing this module, the students will be able to understand the concept of cargo's reservation system, the major cargo computerized reservation system and its applicability in the airlines industry. The students will also be able to decipher the features of the cargo computerized reservation system. They will also come to know the issues and benefits of using computerized reservation systems. Dear students, customers calling the cargo agents consolidator, cargo agents or consolidators calling the principals asking for availability of space. Once assured of availability, the chain message is used to pass again and reach the customer. After being assured of the availability, the customer confirmed and again the same way messages were passed to the principals by telephone, telefax, messengers, paging systems, etc. This is how the cargo booking used to look like in the olden days. Technology revolutionized the cargo industry and these tedious lengthy processes were given away once the computerized reservation system were invented. Everything was accessible to the agent at a click of a button. Often, it was a live inventory that the agent was getting hold of. The airlines, also to have a centralized inventory, had an internal CRS of a portal or a platform which tracked the space availability in the cargo holds of various flights and had tracers attached to the track cargo movement and ensure 100% space selling for the cargo operation. Let us now discuss about what is computerized reservation systems. Computerized reservation systems, often also called as Central Reservation System or CRS. The main function of a CRS is that it embeds in it all the information regarding inventory, etc. and could be used for booking cargo by airlines cargo divisions, cargo agents and consolidators and miscellaneous services and even conducts monetary transactions on the principal's behalf. It was initially mooted by the aviation companies for passenger movements and then to their cargo divisions. From airlines, it expanded to the agent business, that is travel and cargo both. CRS, computerized reservation systems, in their higher versions are known as GDS or Global Distribution Systems. GDS will help for informational elements too. An airline may just do seat booking and seat selling for its own airlines and for its partners, whereas an agent will have access to multi-airlines. From airlines, these GDS move to hotels, then to car rental companies, travel insurance, and as miscellaneous services as ferry bookings. Even U-Rails and Amtrak's can be booked through some of the latest global distribution systems. This may also be used at the airports for controlling the departures of aircrafts and are renamed as the Departure Control System or the DCS. In cargo, these CRS or GDS look into space inventory and space managements. Computerized reservation systems as a tool. Most of the computerized reservation systems are basically web-based. They assist in providing a 24/7 and 365 days a year tool to the customers for their booking needs of cargo industry, etc. The business models can be multiple as in different business environments. It can be the business to client where business is connected directly to the customer, or it could be the B2B model where a bigger agent or consolidator may supply to a smaller agent. Here also B2B to B model may develop where sub-agents may be connected. A global distribution systems may have multiple computerized reservation systems working for it in its back. Just to cite an example, it may have for airlines needs Galileo, Amadeus, WorldSpan, Abacus in the backend. Cargo may have Sabre in its backend. For hotels, it may have Fidelio, DOTW, Bonotel, Hotels Pro, WCT, hotel beds working in the backend. The availability of the cost are current as the system runs in the real time. The agent or the person using it can search individually for single products like airlines, hotels, car rentals, travel insurance. Not only search it but book, pay and generate the bills and vouchers, and in case of cargo generate AWB or airway bill for the clients. Before the advent of global distribution systems, the cargo agents and consolidators used to have different connections and its level with different airlines cargo divisions. Each airline was on a different legacy system. Let us now discuss about the difference between computerized reservation system and global distribution system. A CRS, as the name suggests, computerized reservation system, will only do the reservations for space. One can see space and book the cargo along with the use airway bill. A global distribution system or GDS will provide information besides the reservation aspect. It will help to provide prioritization, book, plan, prepare reports, manifest, provide accounting tools, manage customer relations and accounts, and many such sundry work. Now the question arises that how does GDS or the CRS work? Location database is provided by International Air Transport Association, that is KHI or LHR, etc. The possible connections and routes are searched by a logarithm between the source and the destination. The database of global distribution system is scanned for the schedule providing the details of the flights. The GDS provides the information about the space availability of cargo on scheduled cargo flights and passenger flights which ferry cargo. Global distribution systems cargo codes are provided on many factors like connection, cargo load, the weight and pieces, the originating source and destination, and kind of cargo to be loaded. Being very much organized, yet there exist challenges for GDS and CRS. Also in the air cargo industry, as there is strategic big data. There is a battle with the mobile devices, the hybridization of information technology and cloud computing are new challenges. Analytics that can be auctioned and integration of the ecosystems. One of the challenges is that when airlines or agents seek to cut operational cost, they let the cargo, CRS and GDS go. As an entrepreneur, when it comes to agents and as an airlines being financially responsible for multi-divisions, it is perceived that funds spent on cargo GDS may be channelized elsewhere. Despite the connectivity that global distribution systems assures and airlines and cargo agents and to each other, yet it becomes ineffective if it is not properly used. Often, agents go to a single airline to negotiate rates, and rates are negotiated on one-to-one basis. Hence, the use of global distribution system again become redundant. Many smaller airlines have bad-mouthed cargo global distribution systems. Let us now discuss about airlines cargo industry and why it is shying from reservation systems like global distribution systems or the GDS. Air cargo has to innovate, be it through GDS or through its products to attract desired attention from the customers. Overall, there exists a resistance to change and innovate also. Singapore Airlines have stood up to the challenge and have accepted the technology innovation and are one of the best performers in the region when it comes to shipment on time. This is followed by Korean Air, ABC, Lufthansa, Cathay Pacific, British Airways and KLM. SAS, American Airlines, United Airlines, Air France, Etihad and Cargolux have delivery issues with the freight business. Innovations can help to handle hubs better too by providing maximum fleet utilization. The 90s had its effect too because of antitrust cases, the financial crisis, and during these times the cargo did not rebound as quickly as the passenger services. Challenging times and coping up with the technology have its own rewards in the sense that bad times phase out the competition and there is a good prize waiting at the end post invention. Dear students, let us now discuss about the Sabre. From the humble beginnings in the year 1960, Sabre's major concern has been creativity, innovations, and providing winning edge in technology. In the 80s, it presented the advanced airline yield management systems to the travel websites today. Sabre has proved its forte in every aspect of travel technology. Sabre enjoys being a partner of AMR, which is the parent company of American Airlines. Currently across the globe and majority in the Middle East, Sabre serves as a technology partner through its creative products which assist travel business and increases the airline's operations. The head office for Sabre is in South Lake, Texas. From this point, it serves to more than 60,000 agents through its amalgam of 400 airlines, 55,000 hospitality units, more than 52 car hires, more than dozen of cruise companies, etc. Sabre has been influential in finding web-based solutions to low-fare finding solutions. One can create personalized website services which caters to the last-minutest details of the itineraries for the customers. Not only about itineraries, it also provides an ample information on the destinations too. Sabre's one of the biggest achievements is the Travelocity.com, which helps the traveler to find the most economical options for various products reservations. Get There is also owned by Sabre. The positive attributes about Sabre is its position in the market, wide coverage, comprehensive product offering, multi-revenue earning approach, and eagerness to come up with something new. Dear students, let us now discuss about features of Sabre. Sabre has a reservation engine that provides power to all the channels. The Sabre Sonic reservation can do more efficient market, enhance sales, and can serve to multi-distribution channel like needed in the air cargo industry. It has a facility to touch the customer at every touch point. Sabre Sonic RES has a CCS, Customer Sales and Service Solutions, which is a consortium of many tools for merchandising, inventory and booking. Using this, the airlines can redefine customer service in cargo industry by delivering a different customer experience. This will be achieved by availability of customer data and profile at all the point which customers use. A similar information will result in similar actions and so similar services. It can help to categorize more revenue agents, customers to lesser one, and the bulk business providers can get their due. In the revenue generation, by assisting alliance systems, including codeshare help airlines cargo division to have a winning step. As data is readily available, one can access pick up the trends of the market and even customer behavior can be predicted. Cost reduction is controversial as often the airlines felt when the GDS and CRS, especially in cargo, will mature, then only we will start using it. Whereas in actual sense it often reduces prices as certain tools help an airline to align codeshare, recognize key accounts and prepare reports. There are areas where it actually helps like management of bulk bookings, revenue management, management of recovery, revenue accounting, revenue integrity, management of schedule. Sabre has designed tools keeping in mind the size of the airline, the complexities, the region in which it is working or the business model that is following. Sabre has solutions for every cargo issues. It considers airlines as a travel partner and thus complements it to increase movements, build new revenues, and streamlining of operations are also done by it. Sabre believes in 360-degree view so as to provide a state-of-the-art global cargo delivery. Customer care, trainings, and back-end support, it focuses on the best practices of industry during its training. It even does time-to-time checks to ensure that standard operating procedures are followed by the customers. As the industry's largest software, it has its own share of responsibilities like assisting in marketing of the airlines, pushing the cargo product, providing services to the customers, and used integrated products under one platform, providing a lot of freedom to its customers. The airlines for its cargo customers globally are dependent on them for enhancement in revenues, lowering of cost, and improvisation of customer services. Sabre Air Vision Marketing and Planning is a planning solution for commercial purposes. It helps to align an array of services which includes planning, scheduling, pricing, revenue management, revenue integrity, revenue accounting, business intelligence, cargo and catering too. Sabre Air Visions helps in optimizing decisions with advanced decision support. Differentiate with the right cargo delivery time, right price and proper customer services. With regards to cargo management, the Advanced Revenue and Booking Management has a special tool by the name Sabre Air Vision Cargo Revenue Manager, and it assists by providing key flights, customer and booking news to assist the Department of Cargo in taking a sound decision. It assures a growth of 10% improvement in cargo revenues. The functionality that Cargo Revenue Manager provides you is improvisation in the forecasting of cargo load, which includes upselling and cross-selling. There is improved usage of cargo space and its utilization. This way even the profits can be evaluated properly. Interline billing, which is an issue and a challenge, can be handled through advanced tools provided by Sabre for revenue accounting purposes. It also overall works for the betterment of customer experience by recognizing from where the revenues are coming in and studying the behavior of customer booking. This way a higher overbook cargo capacity can be achieved. Scheduling cargo flights and flights which can ferry cargo can be done in a better fashion. More economical and effective schedules can be designed by usage of advanced visualization and editing powers. Fleet assignments can be based on demand levels. Even code share schedules can be toyed with. The departure time can be increased, decreased, keeping in mind the more effective connections it can provide, thus can help in movement of cargo. Let us now discuss about the future of cargo global distribution system or the computerized reservation system. The reason why the question arises that future of GDS is being questioned is that advancement on the technology of mobiles are a big challenge. The global distribution system is competition with airlines' own computerized reservation systems and want to connect directly with the consumers through various applications and World Wide Web. To cover up the movement of business, the global distribution systems are focusing on sale of ancillary products which may do more harm than good. Global distribution systems have to reinvent, otherwise mobile will kill the global distribution systems. The cargo being handled by global distribution systems happened a little later compared to the passenger side. It is a single point for reserving cargo space, searching for connections to carry cargo, handle consolidators and cargo agents, prepare reports, manifestation, and at times even used for cargo arrival notice reports. But the new technology available on the handheld devices allow the cargo booking customers and cargo agents to be in touch with the airlines directly, crossing the global distribution system. This may spell doom for the cargo global distribution system. Global distribution system was an effort by the cargo units to take decisions, improve revenues, forecast cargo loads, upsell, cross-sell. This way, it even helps in maximizing space usage. Interline operation handling and billing has been sorted by the use of global distribution system. As the global distribution system touched the passenger side first, and hence we are witnessing a fall in the passenger side usage of global distribution system pretty soon. The effect will be visible on the cargo side, may be percentile of fall in users, may be less, but then the users are less too. So in terms of ratio, it may end up in the same. Agents, direct customers are approaching airlines through their phones and interactive sites of the airlines to inquire, reserve space, and send their cargo. One of the reasons why cargo global distribution system has more profitability of fading away is that still the industry is not addicted to the concept of GDS. Airlines are heavily focusing on the cost-cutting measures and want to be in touch with the direct customers, be it business to client, or business to business, and thus want to do away with the GDS fee, which is heavy on the balance sheet. The day is not far when cargo customers may have to pay extra fee for booking through external global distribution systems than using airlines' internal processes. Lufthansa and other few airlines have announced a similar fee to be imposed for customers coming through global distribution systems. To survive, global distribution systems need to reinvent themselves. GDS have proved their mettle over a period of time itself in security, reliability, speed, and accuracy. Maintaining the same features, GDS has to move forward where it provides flexibility, speed, and commercial platform built on proven softwares and processes. Commerce platform will always be needed by cargo operations where GDS can pin in for supporting a well laid out fare. Transparency in product, flexible pricing, product mechanizing, retailing, supply chain management, tracing, and processing of personal financial details of the customers. The global distribution system can provide the best of the old and merge the new demands of the airlines industry. It will survive or else it will perish. Dear students, let us now summarize what we have discussed in this module. Similar to the other sectors, there seems to be a rising acceptance of information technology in the air cargo fraternity. Computerized reservation system in a cargo airlines helps to expand distribution channels. It centralizes everything and helps in sales and growth. The cargo airlines have awareness for information technology and the value it can add to the overall chain management value. Even the low-cost carriers have taken the CRS route for cargo operations as depending only on the websites which make them laggards. Computerized reservation systems is becoming a competitive edge. Speed and reliability are the two major concerns that have to be dealt with by the computerized reservation system. Review and analysis, inventory management, and reporting has been made very easy through CRS. Yet when we compare to the industry's global distribution systems, acceptance, or we may say overall acceptance of information technology by air cargo has been slow. Since the conception of global distribution system, they have gone through many challenges along their journey to where they are today. And many efforts have been there to rope the global distribution system for air cargo purposes. The failures and faults they received have helped them to evolve, better remodify, redesign, and update their products. They are always try to come up with better information and devices for the industry, including cargo. Despite the multi-efforts, the attempts to really automate the air cargo business has fell flat on face at times due to the fact that there is no tailor-made system that exactly fits in the air cargo process, structure, and cater to the demands of the air cargo customers and their needs. The global distribution systems have accepted the fact that industry has to be inclusive and collaborative and thus have designed technology for the same. The industry as a whole seems to be in a trapped state in its own information technology infrastructure. The networks, LAN, WAN programs, systems, and procedures have pulled down on the overall financial or investment capabilities and yet have not yielded the result that was expected out of such massive investments. Keeping update with the latest hardware and software should be the primary concern that every computerized reservation system user should be concerned about. And with these words, I sum up this module. Thank you.